What you doing, bud? You playing with Cal? Huh? You saw us playing with Cal? Yeah. What's that doggy doing? Huh? What is Cow Cow doing? Huh? You gonna look real close? You looking real close at what he's doing? Hey, Cal. Hey, Cal. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Come here. Woo! Back on your tummy. Back on your tummy. Back on your tummy. Hey, hey. Hey, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I'm here in my blanket that I love. And I'm watching Cal wash his body. Yeah. Silas. See, he's so interesting. Yes, he is. Cal is so interesting to me. Yeah. 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 Here I am. Those are his legs. His nose. Yeah, there he's licking the foam. Yeah. Play with his paws. Yeah. Those are Cal's paws. Mm-hmm. He's a big doggy. Yes, he is. Silas. Silas. What you thinking? You petting him? Petting his paws. Yeah. Goodness. 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 Goodness gracious. Goodness. What you trying to do? Oh, you got his paw. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, rolling over. You're gonna rest with Cal. He said it's gonna rest with Cal. What'd you see? Do you see that camera? Do you see that camera looking at you? I'm gonna get your paw, Cal. I'm gonna get your paw, Cal. Silas. Silas. Woohoo. Tell them what you're doing today. Gonna go have our pictures made in our new outfit. Uh-huh. Look at him. Look at that boy. Yeah. So look how good I'm staying on my tummy. I'm talking. Uh-huh. Yeah. Hey, little bobblehead. Hey, what you thinking? What you thinking? Nya, nya. Silas, are you ready to go see Nana and Papa? Huh? Yeah? Ready to go see them in North Carolina? Oh, there's Cal's foot. Get that foot. Get that cow foot. Get that cow foot. Boo-boo. Boo-boo. Silas. Woo! There I go, turning over. Resting on my puppy. Resting on my puppy. Yeah. I'm resting on my puppy. Okay.